So, nag-meet kami sa law school orientation. May pinagawa sa amin, tapos ka-team ko siya.
Isa siya sa mga kasama ko nag-aaral together before. Then, after a week, in-invite ko siya manood ng movie.
Tapos tinanong niya ako, ikaw, go ko pa rin. Hindi ko naman alam na crush niya na ako.
After ng movie, tinanong ko siya kung pwede ko siya ligawan, pwede maging kami. And sinagot niya na ako on that day. So, naging kami na that day. Oo.
So, from then on, yun na.
Paul and Karens, handa ba kayong magpakamatay para sa isa't isa? Because perfect love that is mirrored to you, the love of God, is always mirrored on the cross.
Wherever you're going, wherever you've been, I'll follow you into the dark. Throw your hair on down like a falling star.
I remember the first night, we talked for hours during the lunar eclipse, and I thought to myself, ang swerte na mapapangasawa nito. Sobrang bait to everyone around him. And ito nga, ako nga talaga na pangasawa niya.
As we start our life together, isa lang ang maipapangako ko sa'yo, na lagi kitang papalagaan at sisiguraduhin ko na ikaw ay mahalaga kahit nasa anong dagok na ating maranasan, kahit na ako lagi ang maghuhugas ng pinggan.
I think kaya rin kami umabot ng 12 years because loving Paul was the easiest thing that I did in my life. Because loving Paul is just like breathing. And I know that it's just always there for me.
Siguro, ang one thing na mapapromise ko sa kanya is lagi ko siyang papahalagahan at iingatan. Kahit anumang mangyari, lagi kong pipiliin na mahalin siya.
And on the days I feel like I'm not lovable, you would make me feel that I'm the best thing that ever happened to you. But it was you. That's the best thing that happened to me.
Sa puso ko, ika'y mananatiling mahalaga at ika'y mamahalin ng walang hanggan. Kalakip nito, excited na akong pakinggan ang bawat kwento mo. Maging ito man ay masaya o malungkot. Ikaw ay laging susuportahan sa lahat ng bagay at sasamahan kita sa hirap at sa ginhawa at mamahalin kita ng habang buhay.
Brothers and sisters, let us give a big round of applause to our newly wedded couple, Paul and Karens. Paul, you may now kiss your wife.
Sa 12 taon nating magkasama, naramdaman ko at pinaramdam mo sa akin na ako sa iyo ay mahalaga at mahal mo ako.
I will always love you. And Macallan and Guinness, I love you and our little life that we are creating. I love you in this life, in my next life, and with me in every universe. I love you.